this is a madness.
Let's go! One of our favourite things to do on the channel is bring people together, and what a better time to do that than on Valentine's Day. So we came up with the idea of providing arguably the most unique Valentine's Day experience of all time. Here's the plan.
So it's the day before Valentine's Day. We're gonna ask 2 strangers if they'd like to come on a helicopter ride tomorrow for their first date. They're gonna meet just before we take off. Let's go find those strangers.
What's your pitch?
Hey, insert name, random stranger. Want to come on a helicopter ride tomorrow? It's a very strange question, but do you come on a helicopter ride tomorrow? Done. It sounds so strange. It's a very strange question. Really strange question. Any chance you want to go on a helicopter ride tomorrow? A helicopter ride tomorrow. So what we're doing is trying to find 2 strangers and set them up for Valentine's Day on a helicopter. Yeah. You're working?
I have a boyfriend.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm working.
It's a big deal.
Oh my God, no.
We just realised this is a pretty big ask. It's going to take some balls on a cat to say yes to this. Yeah. Good luck, guys.
Hey girls, really question. That's so weird. Hey girls, really random today.
Oh no, sorry,
No?
I have a boyfriend.
Oh, your boyfriend.
Yeah.
That's okay. We
She's
can't
a
find
boyfriend.
anyone. Oh, you have a boyfriend, do you? I need it too. Oh no. Any of you guys? Boyfriend? You're good? Easy. Alright.
I've got some
Yeah.
fun people here that want to ask you a question.
Do any of you want to go on a helicopter ride tomorrow?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah? You want to think about it and get back to us?
What if you have a boyfriend?
Or you both do? Do you guys?
Yeah.
Oh, 4.
How's it going?
Run into a bit of a standstill on the streets here. We've got to find some people. People are the easiest part. People have always been the easiest part. Sounds really strange. Bit of a random question, but asking people if they want to go on a helicopter ride tomorrow.
Helicopter?
Yeah.
No. I've got a boyfriend, so I don't know.
Do you really have a think about it? Yeah, I'll give you a name. Yeah? I'll take your number. Random question, guys. Yeah, it was a very random question. Really random question. Any of you two want to go on a helicopter ride tomorrow? I'm busy tomorrow. You're busy tomorrow?
Absolutely.
With a girl and a guy?
Absolutely.
And then you meet...
Yeah, no.
Oh, is it yeah?
No, I said no.
This is harder than you think. It's tough.
What time?
So,
I'm free.
Yeah, what time? I'm working as well.
So it's Michaela.
Michaela?
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Let's
Yeah.
take you up for it.
Michaela, do it.
Yeah.
Yes! Yes! Yo! Locked in. Let's go! So we have the girls confirmed for you. I'll let you know. Let me know. Yeah. Sounds good? So what happened was, pretty much the guy I had locked in from last night has pulled out. He's been called into work, which means it's 45 minutes until we have to leave. And we don't have a guy for this date. You're gonna have to start just calling randoms. I am actually freaking out. We need to find this guy for the date. Oh my God. Ah! 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 Let's go! You're not gonna believe this. Literally, as I was filming that video just then, I get a message and the guy just goes, yep, I'm in. I'm so excited. Let's go! Yo! Woo, woo, woo!
Here's the main thing for less than a second, and he's f***ed
Just
it.
gonna hold it. Anyway.
Oh.
Ready, go. Let's go! Here with
Michaela.
Awesome. Picked up the girl. Johnny's picking up the boy right now.
Wait, so what's your name again?
You're Willis.
Their first time they're gonna meet will be at the Barossa.
What's even gonna be going on today? I woke up like 30 minutes ago.
Have you ever been in a helicopter before?
No.
No?
Have you ever been on a helicopter ride before?
Nah, I haven't.
Are you-
Yeah, I woke up and I was like, oh, I was fine, and then it was like 20 minutes, and I was like,
Really?
Heart rate, man. Heart rate.
Really?
Not really nervous about going up the helicopter, but like the whole.
More nervous
whole
of the whole
thing-
scenario.
The whole
yeah.
thing's gonna be a bit strange.
I was not expecting that to happen last night. It was supposed to be a chill night, and then all of a sudden, the next thing I'm going on a blind date in a helicopter.
Literally.
I'm just gonna have to act like 10 times more confident than I actually am. Just gonna-
Alright, we're here, Michaela.
Oh God.
Woo! Right, we're just gonna sign in. We're first to arrive. Waiting for the boys to rock up.
We're pulling up at the spot. Willis is ready to go. Looking good. Super confident, pumped up. Look at him go. He's ready.
Here we go. Alright.
Gonna make sure the hair's good.
The young bachelorette.
Willis. Good, thank you. This is Michaela. Fantastic. Beautiful. Beautiful. How are you both feeling about the blind date right now?
Good.
Yeah, pretty good. On the drive over, a bit nervous, sweating up a
same.
bit, but
Really nervous.
yeah, we're breaking
Chill now. Yeah.
breaking through those ice walls right now.
Wow, it's actually so loud, hey?
There's a massive part of me that wants to know how to fly it.
Yeah, same actually.
Hey guys, welcome to our vlog.
Give us the best look. So, it's your time to shine. You're modelling. Yeah.
All right, we're on. We're on. Here we go. We're going for it now.
Get you in the front.
Oh, this is a madness.
How we going, guys? Feeling alright? Yo! And we're off. Oh, yeah! Literally flying, eh? How was that, you two? So good? Woo! That was amazing. No worries at all.
It's one of the coolest things I've done.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was super sick.
That's sick.
Amazing.
So we're,
Helicopter done, going to the next little location.
No, don't open the door yet.
Oh, yes!
Oh,
Fantastic! Yes, Willis. Beautiful.
This is how I met your mother story, like.
Hey, so true.
How about just like lie down and then like.
You actually want to do that? Alright, hold on. Oh, beautiful.
Today's been more than I could have ever asked for.
10 times better than I expected. Such a nice person.
And it has been fun. She's a great girl.
Really easy to talk to.
Wow,
Yeah,
good.
nice person.
Alright, so, blind date.
Success.
Success?
Yeah,
Yep,
success.
amazing.
You doing anything tonight?
No.
No? You want to do something tonight?
Sure. Yeah.